Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk continues to grind its way sideways here, just below the resistance level. It is entirely possible that here a low has formed now that could be either a low in yellow wave 2, which is absolutely possible. Yeah, it basically would have completed that exactly where I wanted it to complete. So in this area of a wave 4 of one lesser degree, around the 50% fib level, could still make one more low maybe, but then this wave 2 could be finished. If this is the case, after an initial impulse which developed between the 13th of April and the 28th of May, this 5-wave move up, if this wave 2 is already finished, then first of all, time-wise, it would be quite short, however, duration-wise, but possible. But then also in the next step, we should see an impulsive surge in 5 waves above the 393,279 level. Again, it's the same game. Again, you know the routine. To confirm that we've bottomed here, we need an initial break above initial resistance in 5 waves. So at the moment, what this is a bit unclear. And the initial resistance is at 297,993. That's just resistance that, if we break above it, it tells us that this immediate move down is likely completed. But that doesn't tell us if it's already a third wave rally that's unfolding, because it could simply be an A wave in a larger wave 2. Yeah. So all I can share with you is that at the moment it's possible that an initial 3-wave decline completed. It reached a 100% extension level. Basically from here, it was not only the ideal target for this C wave, it's also where that previous wave 4 of one lesser degree is located. And basically now I'm on the watch for a reversal. Okay, so if it happens from here, then it gives us, well, we need the first signal. Okay, so I can't say that, okay, it will reverse down here. That doesn't work. It's identifying a key level where it should happen. And so far we've had a reaction to that level. But to confirm it now further, I need a break above initial resistance, which I mentioned to you. That at least indicates that this immediate move down is finished, because until then, one more low is even likely. Down then to the 50% fib level probably at 233,749. Probably not much lower, to be honest, but we'll see. So if we get a break above initial resistance, then this upper resistance area will become more relevant. This is basically B-wave resistance. Any 3-wave move can turn into a larger 3-wave move. And okay, had this move down already tested, let's say the 61.8 retracement or the 78.6 retracement, then I'd say if we now see a rally, a break above initial resistance, the low should really be in, because this wave 2 would be very, very low in support. But actually, this wave 2 was very shallow. And there is plenty of space left in the standard support region for this wave 2. The orange box, which is defined between 272,282 and 161,484, it represents the standard support region for a wave 2 pullback. And the market could, if it needs to, use the entire box. It can use the entire box if it needs to. So therefore, we shouldn't get too excited too early. Instead, we should watch the levels, know where the possible reversal points are. And really what matters from a, let's say, larger wave degree, larger time frame point of view is that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below 161,484, because if that happens, then the idea of a so-called 1-2 setup, which should lead to a third wave rally, will have to be revised. At the moment, I'm leaning towards a bullish outcome here because I have an initial 5-wave move up. Up here, I've been looking for a reversal to the downside, which happened, which was confirmed with a break below that trend line, which I can actually take off the screen now, off the chart. And now it's all about, okay, tell us if the rally is a B wave or already the third wave. If it's a B wave, yeah, we should stay below 393,279. But then I have to say sometimes B waves overshoot. But that's why I said to you, I need the 5 waves. Okay, so it's always the same routine. 5 waves up, 3 waves down. The next 3-wave move down will offer the next support region. That's my update about Bonk. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.